All right, so quick follow-up. I thought this would have been further down in the day, but fortunately, as soon as I uploaded the last video, Open started to pump like I said it would. It pumped up to now 324, but I sold at 308. I had 7,400 shares. I sold 7,200. I kept 200 shares because I'm going to do some options contracts on those, some call options. I'll probably do August 1st expiration. And as you see right now, it's at, I can get $100 for those. So that's another $200, rinse and repeat, every month or whatever. But I'll do that later. I just wanted to kind of show the profits from the sale. Like I said, I had 7,200 shares. My average price was $2.90. And I ended up selling for $3.08. And if I bring this little calculator thing over here, if I had sold at 322, I'd have made 2,300. But I sold, like I said, at 308. So my profits was $12.95. So roughly about $1,200. I'll just say about $1,200 because this is not accurate. I don't know what the buy commission, sell commission is on Robinhood, to be honest. But I know I've made at least $1,200 when I go here. My profits for the day, it says I'm up to $1,600. So as you see, my buying power is back up to 48,000. So now I can go into that Coinbase options contract that I wanted to get into, which I have it on the watch list down here, which now it's worth 1,700 because I believe Coinbase is above 420. So yeah, I'll have to find another call option contract to get into. I don't think I'm gonna do that 420 call because I'm gonna have to buy it at 427, which is the current price. So once I get that, then I will jump into that option contract for Friday. And then after Friday, I have a trip going to Jamaica. So I'll be out of the market. Won't be trading while I'm gone. But I just wanted to give a quick follow up. $1,600 profit in a half an hour. I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this with my own money. Don't look at me and try to attempt to do it. Do your own research beforehand. I've lost money. I've made money. But lately, it's been going good, so no complaints. I'm definitely happy. Like I said, I'm going to get into this Coinbase, scope out a contract in there that I like. I may do 4 Robinhood contracts. It just depends on what I'm seeing, what I'm liking. I have 2 Palantir contracts that expire Friday. I think I'm going to buy back this contract so it expires this Friday instead of August 1st, so I can free up some collateral to jump into another contract, possibly that expires on August 1st. But we will cross that bridge when we get to it. It's been fun so far in this morning. Comment, like, subscribe. You know the works. You want to get in good. You want to make some money. You know what to do. Tap in.